depends on the circumstances.
Amazed. I was requesting medics.
What's that? Is that around
210, we're out with the party. Heavily intoxicated.
With 183, yeah.
I don't know cars as good as Pat. But
Gabby, it's about 183.
Oh, back to 18.
Just as info for you, if you want to take a look. In the actual stolen hit, there's a couple of suspects' name and date of birth listed in there.
Pull up the camera on that walk cycle. There are a large number of people there, probably like 75 to 100 at least.
Copy on camera, large group.
Two or one?
One.
Address.
Okay, I'll turn it off here.
2025.
We got it north on Dale at front. You guys north on Dale at front.
2025.
2025, go ahead.
Pursuit northbound. We're behind the Silver RAV4. Northbound Dale. Passing front.
Lawson.
Eastbound Lawson.
That wasn't too good. A little more air in my tires. A little more air in the tires.
Still eastbound Lawson.
Eastbound Lawson.
Pairs with channel 2, please. Or
Can you tie us with 2 or let 2 know that we're in central line? Still eastbound.
stand by. This one or the next one?
Going north on Virginia. It's right there.
Okay. Sorry about that. I saw him,
North on Virginia from Lawson.
and he was going back west.
Kilo Sierra Foxtrot 170, St. Paul stolen Toyota RAV4, silver in color, no plates displayed.
Did he park?
I think he went back west on this street.
So there is a car facing south, with lights on.
Deletion 807. Would you put me out at 722 Magnolia Avenue East?
Copy.
That's when I'll be pulling out.
Copy.
It's a large group out there. They're holding someone and putting someone in the back of a.
He might have pulled in one of these
I'm
driveways,
sure
though.
looks like a female. They're just loading her in the back.
That's my
2025, we're checking on
Copy.
flight.
Still large group outside. Since he isn't putting a alert.
Yeah, we
Pretty
lost it
someone in the back
at
of an SUV.
Lawson and Virginia. It went northbound.
A lot of people just fleeing from the area.
Driver's gonna be a white male.
Copy. A large group taking off from the area.
It's that car that's backed into the building. They kind of like threw somebody in the back. That's
Either
they're
turn.
unconscious or what.
Oh, this guy might be seeing.
Last seen the area of Lawson.
This was the car.
Copy. Threw someone inside the vehicle.
Last seen northbound.
You see that car that flew by you, ma'am? Which way you went? Okay.
We're close more out here. That was fucking cancel.
He went this way then.
West, near Beacon and 94. Train
279,
departure. The plate was 3807.